Hello, this is Cal Garcia for ECE3300 Lab. This is Lab 9. I will be demonstrating the digital alarm clock. Just a few notes here. We do see some flashing here. That's due to the camera itself. What I see right now is a constant light. It just has to do with the actual shutter speed of my camera. So with that aside, I'm going to go ahead and reprogram the circuit here. So go ahead and run it. And we'll see that the counter starts counting up. And we have the points in between. I have a default clock set at 59:59, which is max. So if we go ahead and look at the buttons here, I have the 4 buttons here, the D-pad. So we have the up, down, left, right. Up and down is going to control the minutes. So we can see that by holding it, we can actually change the minutes for the timer or the alarm clock. And then left and right are for the seconds. So if I go ahead and hold left, see it goes down in the minutes. If I hold right, it changes and increases, nothing above 59. It goes back and cycles to 0. Okay, the middle here is going to be our reset, or what turns off the alarm sound, and this bottom right is going to turn on our alarm. So if we go ahead and set what the alarm is at, let's go ahead and set it to 1 minute, and let's get relatively close. Let's go for, say, 1 minute 30 seconds. That'll be our alarm. Go ahead and turn this on. We will then here's our speaker, we'll hear it go off in like 4 seconds. So let's turn that down a bit. Okay, so we can hear the audio. If we go ahead and press the center button, we'll hear that stops. Great. Now let's go ahead and set our alarm to 2 minutes, and we will see, we'll say 2 minutes and 5. It'll go off again. Okay, and we can just go ahead and disable the alarm altogether by pressing the switch. So now it won't iterate anymore. See that? Now let's stop. It won't iterate anymore.